Hey everyone, it's Umar Lakhani here, also known as Java Learner Professor. So in today's video, we're gonna be learning Java addition operator. Without further ado, let's get started. So what is the Java addition operator? So the Java addition operator is basically like in real life, the math symbol, the addition math symbol that we use, but instead it's in Java. So basically the addition symbol in math is used to add two numbers. So the same thing goes for Java. All right, so now let's start coding the code. All right, so first of all, we're gonna write int a is equals to, we can write 5. So we can give any random value we would like. And then int b is equals to 10. All right, now we're gonna write system dot out dot print ln, then inside of the parentheses, and then semicolon, and then we're gonna write the sum is colon, and then after the double quotation marks, then we're gonna add the plus symbol. So after that, we're gonna write plus 5 plus 10. Now, actually, we have to separate the 5 plus 10 inside of parentheses. Now, you might be wondering why. Well, that's because Java would get confused the sum is plus like 5 plus 10, so it would like concatenate these together, which means like squish them together. So basically the result would become 510 rather than 15, which is like 5 plus 10, which is the result of 5 plus 10. So yeah, you should always keep in mind that the condition after the plus sign, you should always separate these inside of parentheses. Or else, if you don't, then it's gonna squish them together. So let me show it to you guys. So once I run it, so I just run it right now, and the sum is 15. But if we write without the parentheses, all right. So without the parentheses, wait a minute. Now, the Java system would be confused. It would think that we are concatenating the 5 plus 10 with the sum is. Then it would look weird just like that. Look, just like I told you guys, it would print 510 rather than 15. So yeah, to avoid that confusion or mistake, you should just put it between two parentheses, and yeah, that would just solve the problem, which is super easy. All right, and now I also forgot to mention this to you guys. This plus symbol is actually another plus symbol. So this plus symbol is basically used for like to add a new like statement or a condition. So we just added a new like condition or a statement, you can say, which is 5 plus 10. So yeah, so keep in mind that this one is to add two numbers, and the other one, which is this one, is used to add like a new statement or a condition, which is 5 plus 10. Add a new statement, 5 plus 10. All right. Now I'm gonna show you guys the easy way, the super easy way, like simple. So way which is to just like print the sum directly, rather than, oops, wait a minute. Like we can also write a plus b. So a plus b, which is 15. So like the value of a is 5 and b is 10. So 5 plus 10 is indeed 15. So the directly is basically like, so the sum is we're gonna write yeah, the sum is, we can write 7 plus 7 plus 5. And yeah, instead of writing that, now let's just run the code, and as you can see, it printed the result 12. And yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, guys, have a nice day. Bye.